have a look at how we can make a lovely page layout, but in the most simplest format. All we're using is dies. We're not using any of the scoreboards. We're not using any pencils or anything else. Literally just the dies. So what we have done is we have taken two of the same die. We've cut one out of blue and one out of patterned paper. And what we're going to do is take our scissors and we are going to cut directly up to the other side. Now, if I was to use this just as a pocket at the moment, because this is paper, this would get really, really damaged. So what we need to do is we need to add a nice strip of card just down the front to give it a little bit of support, so that when people are pulling tabs in and out, then it's going against the card rather than the paper. So just add in that little leading edge there. We can come in, chop away that excess, and then that is going to glue onto there, and we've got that nice leading edge there. Okay, so let's add the glue around the edge there. And that is going to sit onto there. We'll just move our page out of the way a minute. So that's going to sit onto there. We have a little tab. We've got one of those lovely pulleys out of the essential kits, and that is going to go on my tab, so that is going to enable us to be able to pull that in and out. So that could have a picture on there, it could have some writing on there, it could have some details of the baby's weight, for instance, because this is a little baby's one. And that's going to slide into there. Now we're going to have a page that comes over the top as well. So that is going to come over the top of there. So I want to turn it over, and we're going to bend that one over the top. This is so easy, you know, just have a play with your dies and you're going to find so many ways of mastering different page layouts without having to measure or use a ruler or anything along those lines. So let's fold that one over. So we can now see that we've got a front opening. So let's take our page, let's stick that one into here. So this is the page that's going to go into my book. So we could either have this on the spine, or we can do the folding method where we have that little fold. Taking the pattern dies that are in that collection as well, we are literally going to come along all the way around that leading edge, and that's going to sit onto the front with its matching panel, the same paper as we used on that inside. It's going to sit into there, bringing those colours forward. We have one of the sentiments that's from the Essentials collection. So this is family. So this is welcoming the new baby on board. So let's open it up and let's decorate this page. Very, very simple. Your same die as you used for the front, because then it's all matching all the way through the series. Let's place that onto there. We've got a matten layer that's going to go into the middle, so that blue and the cream again. That's going to go into there. Even this littlest slither of paper, we've used the die to shape the bottom. We've done that leading edge the same as we did the leading edge on that side. And we're just going to stick that one on the bottom. Two little tabs, once again with those essential pulleys on the top, and they're just going to slide into there, And hey presto, let's pull that forward a little bit until it sticks. Hey presto, another very, very simple but very effective little page layout.